Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to convert a Canva presentation into a video, a PDF file, or a PNG file, depending on what we need. This is perfect for sharing slides as engaging content on social media or online. Let's get started. On our Canva presentation, if we want to convert this one, all we need to do is click Share. Once we're here, we just need to click Download. Under the download options, we can change the file type. It can be print PDF, standard PDF, PPTX, MP4, or JPEG, depending on what we need. Let's say we want to convert this to a video. All we need to do is select the MP4 file type, then click Download. Let's wait for it to load. Once it's done, it will appear here, and we now have it as an MP4 file. That's how we can convert a Canva presentation into a video or any other file type we need. It's a simple way to make our content more dynamic and easy to share.